everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to remove Firefox's default browser so you can choose a different browser for your daily use. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start icon at the bottom left of your screen and open Settings. This is where Windows allows you to control and customize system preferences. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Apps. This section manages installed applications and their default behaviors. Step 3. Click on Default Apps to view which programs are set to open files and links automatically. This is the place where browser defaults are configured. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Web Browser section. Here, Windows shows the browser that is currently set as the default. Step 5. Click on the current default browser shown as Firefox. This action opens a list of all browsers installed on your computer. Step 6. Select another browser from the list to remove Firefox as the default browser. Once selected, Windows will immediately apply the new default browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and helpful tutorials.